Hi everyone, it's me Akanshi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to do our assignments, the most difficult part for a student in his college life. I'm going to share some most useful tricks and tips so that you can get 100% results whenever do your assignments, and it will not going to be a headache for you anymore. So stay tuned, watch video till end in order to get all the secrets of doing an assignment. So, before moving forward, I would like to talk about some most basic but most important things about an assignment in Canada. When you are doing your assignment, you first need to check there is no plagiarism. So, if you don't know what is plagiarism, let me tell you. When you check something, when you got an assignment, teacher gives you some question, and in order to do that question, you check that over Google and you will get some results. So, if you directly copy paste those results in your assignment, you will get plagiarism. And in Canada, it is a offense. In Canada, plagiarism is something like very big for them. So if you have an assignment and they got plagiarism in that, वो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी से और आपके कॉलेज तक से निकाल सकते हैं. So friends, before submitting your assignment, please check your plagiarism. I'll let you know how to check this further in this video. How, apart from plagiarism, you need to check your grammar, and they also consider plagiarism when you copy your friend's assignment. So for example, you ask your friend that हाँ भाई तूने असाइनमेंट कर लिया मुझे दे दे मैं भी कुछ सिनोनिम्स वगैरह चेंज करके सबमिट कर दूंगा. So don't think about this. Your teachers are very smart. They can figure out that you have just made some changes in the words, and that will also consider into the plagiarism. Let's just go ahead and I'll let you know how to check plagiarism, how you can make your assignment, how you can paraphrase your paragraph if you are not getting any idea by your own, and also how you can do your assignments effortlessly within 10 minutes or more. It's up to you. And yes, I forgot to tell you one more thing, that your assignment should be in APA format and with proper citation. So I'm also going to let you know how to do a proper APA format assignment in Word and how to do citation. So stay tuned till the end. And now let's go dive into the main applications that you need to learn today. And yes, don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss some important parts and then you will regret it. So let's go into my computer and see how things will work. So here we have a new document open in Word. And now first what we need to do is we need to go to references, and under this citation and bibliography, we need to check the style, and it should be selected in APA format. Now for the next step, we need to go to insert and we're going to put a header. Okay. So here in header section, we need to select edit header, and here we're going to put our title, whatever the title we have for our assignment, like assignment 1 or something. Now it's done. And if we talk about the font style, it should be Times New Roman, and the size should be 12. फॉर आवर असाइनमेंट वी वांट कि जो हमारा फर्स्ट पेज हो वो डिफरेंट हो बाकी अदर पेजेस से. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे अंडर दिस ऑप्शन, अंडर दिस इंसर्ट, हेडर एंड फुटर, edit header, and under this you can see different first page. We need to check this, तो हम ये कर देंगे. Okay, so now we have this, and जो हमने पहले सिलेक्ट किया था, and now तो अभी हमारे पास हेडर है. अब हम इधर जाएंगे होम सेक्शन में एंड हम यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करेंगे टाइम्स न्यू रोमन एंड 12 जो हमारा फॉन्ट साइज होगा, और ये हमारा है फॉन्ट नेम. ओके, सो हियर शॉर्ट टाइटल मीन्स वट एवर आपका जो असाइनमेंट का टाइटल दिया रहेगा आप वह यहाँ पे वो पुट कर सकते हैं. अब हमको यहाँ पे पुट करना है अपना पेज नंबर, तो हम जाएंगे अपने हेडर एंड फुटर वाले ही सेक्शन में.
यहाँ पर हमने अपना नंबर सिलेक्ट कर लिया है पेजेस के लिए, एंड ये हमने कैसे किया, इंसर्ट पेज नंबर, top page, play number 3. That's it. That's all we have to do here. And after this we need to do is our paragraph setting. तो पैराग्राफ सेटिंग करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे पैराग्राफ वाले सेक्शन में और यहाँ पर हम एक डबल क्लिक करेंगे एंड यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पर हमें दोनों 0 0 सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, 0 0 एंड हम जो लाइन स्पेसिंग कर रहे हैं वो हम डबल सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारा जो डॉक्यूमेंट है वो डबल स्पेस सिलेक्ट हो जाए ऑलरेडी. ओके, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट वी कैन हिट ओके. So now whatever we will put, it will go into the double spacing format. So now after paragraph setting, what we are going to do is we are going to make our first page. So here I'm going to put enter a few times and then I'm gonna do Control E to make it in center. Here we're going to put our title. तो आपको सेंटर में करने के लिए इतना सिंपल सा करना है, आपको Control E पुट करना है एंड आप यहाँ पे सेंटर में टाइप कर सकते हैं. You can see in the setting also. And below your name you will going to put your college name or any organization. After that you will going to enter few times. And here we need to put our contact details. हमें हमेशा contact information left में put करना होता है in APA format, तो you can check it should be in your this left direction, align left. Okay, so now this will going to be our first page, but if you are facing any issue by making this first page, you can also go here insert and you can check this. Go to insert cover page, you can see some pre-designed cover pages format. You can select any one of them and you can just simply edit it. Now is the time to go to the second page. So we're not going to just simply put the enter here. We're going to this insert tab. Okay, and we're going to put break page. So now we have our second page here. As you can see, जो हमने header and footer select किया हुआ था उसकी वजह से ये proper align है, यहाँ पे proper spacing आया है. And now you can start putting your assignment from here. Okay, so here I need to tell you one more thing. Like you can see we selected the different first page. तो इस सिनेरियो में हमें यहाँ पर अपना नंबर सेलेक्ट करना रहेगा जो हमारे फुटर में आएगा. तो for what we need to do here is we need to double click on this section right here. Then हम यहाँ पे select कर सकते हैं page numbers again. Now let's see, for example we have to put 3 to 4 pages and in the last we have to put references. तो हमें इसके लिए क्या करना होगा, तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था plagiarism is something that is very critical in all the universities and college. So जब हम कुछ भी मटेरियल इंटरनेट से लेते हैं हमें उसका रेफरेंस डालना होता है. तो this will going to be our reference page. You can go to references, go to this bibliography and citation bibliography section. You can select the format of your reference. तो आप यहाँ पे सारी की सारी साइट जिधर से भी आपने अपना डेटा लिया है आप यहाँ पे पुट कर सकते हैं. एंड remember it should also be in Times New Roman. Font size should be 12. So this is all about APA format. तो यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, जब आप कुछ भी रेफरेंसेस डालेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई सा भी आपने आर्टिकल था जहाँ से आपने अपना मटेरियल लिया, आप उसका लिंक यहाँ पर डालेंगे एंड आफ्टर लिंक पुट करने के बाद आपको फिर से यहाँ पे रेफरेंसेस में जाना है एंड you can go insert citation, add new sources you can do, or you can put add new placeholder. So you can put the name the writer here and hit OK. Then whenever you will going to do like whatever the paragraph you took from there, you can just go to the end of the line, just do a right click and you can put there. Then every citation will appear and that's how we do the citation.
आई थिंक अब आप सभी APA फॉर्मेट में अपना डॉक्यूमेंट बना सकते हैं इजीली. डू यू वांट टू नो वन मोर सीक्रेट अबाउट वर्ड? let's just dive into our computer.
Okay, so we are on our document that we created just now. Just go to your right hand section and you will be able to see this dictate button here. So what basically this will do is when you don't have time to type all the documents and it's so like it's a kind of headache to you, so what you just need to do is go to dictate. Whatever you will speak, it will type. So you can see it's pretty amazing. And the most fun part about this is you just have to speak. While speaking, it will type for you. You have no need to worry about anything. You can see now. If you have any correction, you can do it later on. For that, I'll also let you know what are the tricks, how you can minimize all your grammar mistakes inside your assignment. Whoa! So now I have my captions for my video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these inside my video caption. You can see guys, this is pretty amazing thing. I'm letting you know it will save your time like wow. Okay guys, so let's move to the next page. Oops. Next application.
And you can also see, like, I can pause it, resume it whenever I want. It's all in my hand now. The next thing that you guys need to do is to add an extension of Grammarly to your laptop, to your phone, to everything, whatever you have, tab, laptop, phone, everything, because it will correct all your grammatical mistakes. So for that, what we need to do is, so for this, what we need to do is open a new tab and type Grammarly here. Once you have Grammarly, you can go to the first link. Okay, so if you want, you can install it. You can say it's a kind of extension that you can use over your any network. And apart from that, you can also install this as a desktop application. So I'm using a desktop application for Grammarly. Okay, so now this is something that this will ask you to go for premium because of course अगर कोई अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है they also want money, but हमें इसका कुछ नहीं करना है. That's all for Word. Now we need to see if this is something we have any plagiarism in this or not. So in order to check plagiarism, what we need to do is we need to go to again, we need to go to our Chrome. I'm gonna type here plagiarism checker. You can see I use these frequently for all my assignments. We need to go for this one, the smalltools.com. Don't worry, I'm going to put all the links inside the description box. Now this is very simple. What we need to do is, and you can also see, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे जो word limit है वो 1000 words है. तो mostly आपका जो assignment है वो आप आधा आधा करके यहाँ पर plagiarism check कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's just go to any another site and we're going to copy something from there and we'll see if this is working or not. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this whole thing. Okay, and we're going to put this into our plagiarism checker. Now we have this new thing that we copied from internet directly. Okay, you can see it's working. See, we have 80% plagiarism because we just copied it from the website and just put it same. So अगर आप ऐसा assignment submit करेंगे, you will get 0. तो जब भी आप अगर कोई assignment कर रहे हैं, after completing your assignment, I recommend everyone to check plagiarism at least once before submitting your assignment because that will going to be your marks. Okay, तो अगर टीचर ने plagiarism के साथ आपको 0 दे दिया, it will be your loss. So now you all know if you copy something from internet, we will get plagiarism. So this is something that you need to do in your worst case scenarios. Okay, don't do this every time, otherwise your teacher will catch you and give you 0. Okay, so the next tool I'm going to let you know is paraphrasing tool, where you can paraphrase any of the paragraphs from the internet, but don't use this maximum time, use your own words, use like read your whole report, use your own words. But if in some paragraphs you are facing issue in converting that, you are not getting the correct words, then you can use this particular tool and it will be very useful for you. So as you know, the last data we copied it from internet. I'm going to put the same here. Okay. And over this site, we have the limit of 10,000 character. Okay. I'm not a robot. Of course, I'm not. They don't check it. So now we just need to hit paraphrase now and it will do all the work for you. Look, now we have this paraphrase, paraphrase thing. Now we're going to copy this and we'll see how legitimate is this. So copy, paste into the plagiarism checker again. We're going to remove this. See, now we have 100% unique paraphrase thing with us. Okay guys, so here we're going to end this video. I hope कि ये सारी की सारी चीजें आपके यूज में आए and I know आएंगी because we all do assignments. किसी को 1 साल तक करना है, किसी को 2 साल तक करना है, करना सबको है if you are studying. So I would like to say thank you to everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. So if you haven't liked the video and subscribed the channel, just do it right now. If you guys have any other questions, just drop your question into the comment box. I'll definitely help you with the answer. See you soon, guys. Bye. Just like and subscribe. So hit like button and subscribe the channel.